for purchasing our glow in the dark color changing bracelet kit. In the kit, you're going to get 3 different colored Scooby-Doo strings, and you're going to get 1 cloth string. So you should be able to make at least 10 bracelets. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make this friendship bracelet. So what I'm going to do first of all is show you how we can get them to glow in the dark. So in the kit, you're going to get this very special pen. And we can use this pen for secret writing. So 3, 2, 1, lights off. I have written a secret message on the page. Let's shine the light on. And we get, look at that. I think that says, I love science. But you can then use this pen to write lots of secret messages and then shine that ultraviolet light onto it, and then you can see those messages. Lights are coming back on again. 3, 2, 1. With no light, the beads are quite boring. They're a dull white color. But when we put the UV light onto them, inside them they have chemicals, pigments, which change color. And basically what they do is they suck up the energy, they soak up the energy, and then they let some energy out, and it lets it out in different color ranges. Now, some of them are going to allow us to see yellow, some of them are going to allow us to see blue, green, pinks, and purples. You're not going to know what colors you have until you glow your light onto them. So let's put the light onto these beads. They are going to start to absorb the energy, and then when they do, they're going to re-emit that energy out in a range that we can see. In daylight, they are going to be very, very bright. Now I've got my room slightly dim so that we can also see the glow in the dark effect, because of what we're going to do now is we're going to make a friendship bracelet for somebody who's scared of the dark. Now, to make sure that these beads don't move all over the place, what we need to do is put a little knot either side of the beads, and that means that those beads stay in place. And what we want to do is we want to be able to put our bracelet onto our wrists as easy as possible. So we need another pony bead, and these strings are fantastic because they're plastic. It's really easy for small hands to push them through these beads. And we've got one going in one direction, and then the other end goes through in the other direction. And again, we don't want this to be pulled off, so we're going to have to put a little knot in either end to make sure that our bead stays there. So there's one wee knot there, and there's another wee knot there. And there we have it, the easiest friendship bracelet ever. I think I'm going to have to try this on. There we go. And then all we need to do is to pull this nice and tight, and that will stay on my wrist. Let's put the lights off. 3, 2, 1. And shine the light. It's going to absorb that energy. And then when I take that away, it glows in the dark. And one of the experiments that you can do is to find out how long these beads will glow for. So I'm Scientific Sue. Again, thank you so much for buying this kit, and I really hope you enjoy playing with it.